Hello, I am Rana from AI in a Box training and consultancy company. Myself and my colleague Sarah will present to you our AI strategy framework and our value proposition.
Hello all, and I am Sarah from AI in a Box Consultancy. I am happy to be presenting your path to successful AI journey with Rana.
Let's walk everyone through today's agenda. We've structured this session to give a clear view of our approach and offerings. We'll start with an introduction where we'll dive into the market analysis and highlight our unique value proposition.
And once we've set the stage with the introduction, we'll move into the services section. Here, we'll cover the core areas of our expertise, including consultancy and training to guide our clients' AI journey.
Right. Finally, we'll open up for discussion. This will be a great chance for questions and answers so we can address any specific thoughts or needs. Then we'll talk about the next steps to move forward together.
Let's get started with the first section, our introduction to the market landscape and what makes us stand out.
Let's start by looking at what makes us a strong player in the AI industry. Founded in 2016 and officially registered in Bahrain since 2020. Over the years, we've consistently addressed critical gaps in the AI landscape.
We offer a robust AI strategy consultancy service. Here, we help organizations bridge the gap between planning and implementation. Our goal is to ensure that AI strategies are aligned with each client's unique business goals.
Another key area is our AI training program. We're committed to bridging the knowledge gap by empowering professionals with the skills they need to leverage AI effectively.
We focus on delivering innovative AI solutions that meet specific market needs. These products are designed to provide cutting-edge solutions that drive success for businesses in a competitive landscape.
So, with a comprehensive approach that includes strategy, training, and innovative products, we cover all essential aspects needed for success in the AI domain.
Our offerings ensure that our clients are not only prepared, but are set to lead in the ever-evolving world of AI.
The AI market in the Arabian Gulf is set for significant growth, fueled by national strategies and substantial investments. This is creating a high demand for skilled AI professionals, making AI training a crucial investment for the region.
Economically, AI could replace up to 30 to 50% of current jobs, but it also opens doors to new roles in AI and technology. Bahrain is taking the lead in AI adoption with initiatives like Tamkeen's AI training programs, BIBF, and Nasser vocational training, setting a strong example in workforce development.
To truly capitalize on this potential, a structured approach to AI adoption is essential. With clear strategies and targeted training, organizations can ensure they're well positioned to meet these ambitious goals.
With over $130 million invested in Bahrain's IT sector, there's a strong push to create new jobs and fuel economic growth through AI.
AI-focused training programs not only support job creation, but also encourage entrepreneurship, empowering individuals to launch AI-driven businesses.
This demand for skilled AI professionals is only increasing as AI becomes embedded in business operations. Training is essential to keep the region competitive in the global AI landscape.
This rapid growth in AI and the significant investments being made raise an important question. What skill sets are truly needed to drive effective AI deployment in an organization? How can we ensure that we're not only investing in technology, but also equipping our teams with the expertise to strategically implement and manage AI? Developing a skilled workforce capable of transforming these investments into real growth and competitive advantage is essential, but what does that workforce look like?
Rana, you've made a great point. Could you explain how AI in a Box addresses this?
Absolutely, Sarah. Imagine an organization with plans to build $1 billion skyscraper. Instead of engaging an architect to design a detailed blueprint, they go straight to a construction contractor.
Right, that's not realistic. Without a proper design, the project would be chaotic, full of costly mistakes, inconsistencies, and a high risk of failure.
Exactly. And deploying AI without a strategic plan is just as risky. You can't expect AI to succeed without a carefully designed strategy, just like you can't expect a building to stand without solid architectural plans. That's where the AI strategy engineer role comes in, someone who develops a clear AI blueprint aligned with the organization's goals, laying out every step needed for a successful implementation.
So, the AI strategy engineer or consultant essentially builds an AI structured for success.
Yes, this role is crucial for building a foundation that will support AI initiatives over time. And that's the purpose of our patent-pending AI strategy framework. It's the process of producing those blueprints that guide every aspect of AI adoption. But there's more. It's also about preparing your team to maintain and evolve that strategy.
That's where AI in a box training comes in, right?
Exactly. Our training is focused on this framework, giving your team the skills to create, implement, and sustain these strategic blueprints effectively. It's about empowering your organization with the expertise to make AI a valuable integrated asset.
That makes sense. So, AI in a box provides both the blueprint and the training to ensure organizations not only start on the right path, but stay on it as AI evolves.
Precisely. Now, let's dive into our services and see how we bring this vision to life. Now, let's explore the core services we offer. Consultancy to craft tailored AI strategies, training to equip teams with essential AI skills, AI products designed to streamline and support AI initiatives, and a structured roadmap that guides organizations through each stage of AI adoption, from planning to implementation and scaling.
Let's start with the heart of our services, the AI strategy framework.
Sarah, what makes our AI strategy framework so effective?
Our AI strategy framework is specifically designed for creating a comprehensive and well-coordinated AI deployment plan. This framework produces the blueprints that ensure AI aligns seamlessly with your objectives. The loop signifies that it's not a one-time process but an ongoing cycle. This ensures that the AI strategy remains relevant and effective, adapting to new challenges and opportunities. What sets our framework apart is that it covers strategic planning, building AI solutions, and maintaining their performance and compliance. Not to mention, this framework is patent pending, highlighting its unique value.
Sarah, explain the phases of the AI strategy framework, please.
Our framework is structured into four main phases: target, build, deploy, and supporting strategies. Target phase. In collaboration with your staff, we identify potential AI initiatives, evaluating them in terms of priorities and impact on the organization. The main deliverable of this phase is a roadmap of well-defined, prioritized AI initiatives that align with your strategic goals and objectives. Build phase. This phase transitions from planning to action, focusing on developing or acquiring ready-made AI solutions. It involves gradually integrating AI into the organizational ecosystem and ensuring that AI solutions mature through iterative learning. Deploy phase. This phase includes ongoing monitoring of AI systems and administrative tasks to maintain smooth AI operations.
And how about the supporting strategies, Sarah?
Supporting strategies and gap analysis. This foundational phase includes assessing gaps in data layer architecture, human resources development, IT infrastructure scaling, and governance, risk, and compliance guidelines. The goal is to produce recommendations that ensure supported and sustained AI implementation, enabling the organization to upscale its AI maturity level.
But a successful AI strategy doesn't stop at planning. Just like constructing a building, maintaining and adapting the AI framework requires skilled professionals. That's where our training comes in, to uplift your organization's skills not only in developing the AI strategy, but also in continuously refining and sustaining it.
There's already a strong focus on technical training for AI, covering areas like AI programming, data science, and IoT. Think of this as the skilled labor required to construct a skyscraper. These technical skills are essential, but on their own, they're not enough to bring the full vision of AI to life.
Achieving AI goals requires more than just technical expertise in programming, etc. Our training programs focus on the strategic and consultancy aspects of AI. We're here to provide that blueprint, guiding professionals on how to design, implement, and sustain AI initiatives that align with their organization's broader objectives.
So, our AI strategy and consultancy training really complements the technical skills, creating a balanced approach that maximizes the impact of AI investments. With both technical and strategic pathways, organizations are better equipped to reach their goals, drive growth, and establish themselves as leaders in AI. Our consultancy training program is designed to provide the complementary and essential skills needed to succeed in the AI journey. Just as a blueprint is critical to building a skyscraper, each level in this program builds foundational and strategic skills that guide AI adoption effectively.
That's right. Starting with Level 1 Foundation, we focus on understanding AI's opportunities, risks, and strategic implications, perfect for high-level executives and decision-makers who need a clear view of AI's potential.
Then we move to Level 2 Essentials, introducing the core framework, concepts, and principles that professionals need to build their foundational knowledge in AI strategy.
Level 3 Overview brings this into practical application, providing hands-on experience with our AI strategy framework and real-world case studies. This is crucial for professionals who will build AI strategies within their organizations.
Then there's Level 4 Hands-On, which dives deeper into AI strategy templates and real-world scenarios, giving participants practical experience and tools to apply these strategies effectively.
Finally, Level 5 Consultants focuses on essential consultancy soft skills, equipping professionals with the expertise needed to excel in AI strategy and client-focused problem solving. These skills are essential for guiding organizations on their AI journey.
This structured approach, from foundational understanding to advanced consultancy, ensures participants gain both the strategic and practical skills necessary to implement AI effectively. Just like a building project needs architects, engineers, and planners to bring the blueprint to life, AI adoption requires these structured levels to achieve real impact.
Let's take a look at how AI in a Box stands apart from typical market consultancy offerings. Starting with high-level strategy, both AI in a Box and traditional consultancies focus on positioning AI as a key enabler for achieving business goals, optimizing operations, and fostering innovation.
Yes, but when it comes to training and awareness, AI in a Box really shines. Unlike standard consultancies, we provide integrated training to manage expectations, gain team support, clarify AI framework milestones, and ensure everyone understands their roles and responsibilities.
Moving on to supporting strategies and gap analysis, this is another area where AI in a Box goes further. We offer a comprehensive, systematic approach to elevate AI maturity levels, ensuring continuous improvement aligned with evolving technology and business goals. This is something many consultancies don't cover as deeply.
And with AI applications, AI in a Box collaborates closely with clients to understand their unique challenges, creating structured initiatives and building a roadmap that's fully aligned with their objectives. Again, a service that typical consultancies may not offer with the same depth and alignment.
Lastly, we come to build and deploy. AI in a Box takes a hands-on approach to implementing AI solutions, ensuring they're integrated seamlessly, managing risks, and minimizing chances of failure. This way, we help avoid lost investments and suboptimal outcomes, which is a critical advantage over standard consultancy approaches.
So, as you can see, AI in a Box provides a full spectrum of support that goes beyond what's commonly available in the market, ensuring that AI isn't just implemented, but implemented successfully and sustainably. To wrap up, AI is undeniably transformative and is in high demand across industries. Organizations are eager to adopt AI, but they face a significant gap in the necessary skills and expertise to implement it effectively.
That's exactly where AI in a Box steps in. Our services fill this critical gap, providing both strategic guidance and practical skills to ensure AI is not only deployed, but optimized for real impact. Our unique value proposition lies in our ability to bridge strategic planning with hands-on execution, setting organizations up for sustained AI success.
We've shared our roadmap for future growth and how we aim to support your AI journey every step of the way. Now, we're happy to answer any questions you have.
Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to the opportunity to work together and support your organization in harnessing the full potential of AI.